Right now kuna mchipuko, kuna form, yani kuna kitu mpya pale vile sokoni. Right now if you're looking forward to designing, branding, printing services pale vile tunazungumzia iBrand design and print pale vile Mombasani. If you're looking forward to branding your flyers, posters pale vile, YouTube thumbnails pale vile, anything design, anything brand, anything print, from ranging from small scale flyers ama large scale pale vile, medium scale pale vile, uko na event fulani unataka kutengeneza poster pale vile, flyer, banner, teardo pale vile, yani kila kitu iko pale vile, anything design, anything brand, anything printing pale vile, definitely zungumzia iBrand design print services pale vile. Wako Mombasani, by the way, unaweza kuwasiliana kupitia mitandao ya kijamii kupitia iBrand design and print pale vile kila mahali, kwenye Facebook, Twitter, Instagram pale vile, IG, the X pale vile, TikTok pale vile, ama unaweza ukawatumia barua meme pale vile kupitia iBrand design and print @gmail.com pale vile, na nakwambia kwamba let them handle your next project. By the way, utafurahia. Mimi wamenifanyia couple of projects and I'm telling you nimefurahia. Looking forward to branding, looking forward to designing, looking forward to printing pale vile, definitely think about iBrand design and print services pale vile Mombasani. This is amazing. Nakuchekea short while, usikwende mbali. 102.1 Migori Kio FM inasikika.
Ugly.